unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
Secure connections. Check that all cables are firmly plugged in. Audio settings. Go to Settings, Sound and confirm the correct audio output is selected. Restart the TV. Power off the TV for a few minutes and then turn it back on. External devices. Check if the issue persists with different devices to identify if a specific device is causing the problem. Software update. Update your TV's software to the latest version available.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.